Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix setup was unable to create a new partition or locate an existing one in Windows. First method is select and delete partition. Second method is using Diskpart. Press Shift key and press F10 keys to enter command prompt. Type Diskpart. Type list disk. Type select disk 0. Type clean. Type convert GPT. Type create partition primary size equal to 50000. Type format fs equal to ntfs quick. Click refresh. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.